I am Tirumala. I am explaining the HTML code of certificate. The HTML code forms the main structure of the certificate page. It begins with the document type declaration and includes types of declaration and includes essential tags such as HTML head part and body tags. Inside the head tag, meta tags defines the UTF character encoding and make the web page responsive and different devices. The code also import to Google Fonts and Playfair display for headings and great whites for the name to give the certificate a premium and elegant look. Another important element in the head section is link link relation like steel sheet type which connects the HTML file to the external CSS file named web code CSS where all the styling rules are written. These elements together prepare and page foundation and load the resources required for professional formatting.
I'm Shilpa. I'm going to explain HTML code. Inside the body tag, the certificate is divided into organized section using division tag containers. The outer div class page centers the certificate on the screen, while div class certificate acts as the main white paper where the content appears. The text elements are displayed using heading tags. H1 shows the main title certificate, H2 tags right of achievements, and H3 presents group members in a stylish handwriting font, style font. Paragraph tags like P class presented and P class discussion display the introductory line and description. Decorative accent stripes around the certificate are made using empty div class accent elements which appears like colorful ribbons after applying CSS. The signatures section uses a div class signatures container holding three smaller div class sign blocks of principal, date, and HOD, making the certificate layout look real and formal.
Hello, myself Srujan. I'm going to explain CSS part of this web page. The CSS file controls the complete appearance, color, spacing, and visual styling of the certificate created with HTML. At the top, CSS custom properties root define reusable color variables such as frame dark, frame mid, and accent, making it easy to change the theme. The body style removes default spacing and sets a clean, light background for the web page. The page container uses Flexbox to perfectly center the certificate vertically and horizontally on any screen. The code design comes from the certificate class, which adds a white paper layout with a wide dark border, a white outline, and a smooth shadow that gives the web page a layered premium certificate look. It also adds padding and a subtle gradient background to make the paper appear more realistic and professional. Now the next part of the CSS code will be going to explain by our teammate Varun.
Thank you, Srujan. So, I am Varun V. I'm going to explain the leftover part of CSS code explanation. The CSS further styles every text element and decorative feature inside the certificate. The title, subtitle, name, and description classes set font sizes, colors, spacing, and font families to create a clean and balanced layout. The recipient's name uses the cursive font and large size to stand out. The decorative accents at each corner of the certificate are styled using accent classes which apply gradients, skew angles, and positions to create modern ribbon style strips. The signature section uses Flexboy to evenly distribute the three signature blocks across the bottom and includes horizontal lines created using line and line short. Lastly, a media query hides accents and scales down text on small screens, making the certificate mobile friendly. Overall, CSS transforms the simple HTML structure into a polished, stylish, and realistic certificate page. Thank you. And this is the final output of our code explanation.